Vanakkam friends, Trinity Cultural Academy Coimbatore welcomes all of you for this presentation. I am Dr. Vanangamudi, former Dean Agriculture, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. I also worked as a Dean Adivarasakti Agriculture College, Kalavai, which is an affiliated college of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. As well as I worked as Professor and Head Department of Seed Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. I am presenting on the multiple choice questions in agriculture, and this is the fifth part with the special reference to agronomy and part 1. In particular, the fundamentals of crop production. In spite of the low views for my videos in my YouTube channel, I wanted to host the videos frequently, maybe once in a week, to share my knowledge, whatever I gained in my service at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, to the students, friends, as well as faculties. And mostly this presentation on the multiple choice questions are highly useful for all competitive examinations like ICR, the All India Entrance Examinations for JRF and Senior Research Fellow, as well as the National Eligibility Test and the Agriculture Research Service. And these questions also mostly useful for the IBPS examinations for the agriculture field officers, as well as most of the entrance examinations for admission towards the PG programs in all state agriculture universities, central agriculture universities, as well as the deemed universities. And as far as today's presentation, and this is on fundamentals of crop production, the part 1. The first question, climatic factors dash percent of yield in crop production. I am repeating the questions once again. Climatic factors influences the dash percentage of yield in crop production. The answer is 50%. So 50% of the crop production, the yield, total yield, is highly influenced by the climatic factors. And the second question, photosynthetic active radiation essential for carbohydrate production is, the correct answer is 0.4 to 0.7 microns. And the third question, oxygen content, that is O2 content in atmosphere, is about 20.95% or 21%. That is the correct answer. The crops require low oxygen content. Which crop? And that crop is rice, because it is being grown, the seed is being sown in the submerged conditions, and even under this situation the seeds are being germinated utilizing the low oxygen content. Then fifth question, shifting cultivation is practiced in the zone. Which zone? and the zone in which the shifting cultivation is practiced is Middle Gangetic Plains. And the sixth questions match the following, and the list 1 contains about 4 questions, and list 2 contains the 4 answers. And the millets, it needs loamy soil for better growth. That is the correct option. And the sugar cane, and sugarcane needs 75 to 150 centimeter rainfall or 750 to 1500 rainfall. The cotton, it needs 50 to 50 to 100 centimeter. There is a spelling error. 50 to 100 centimeter. This rainfall is equivalent to 500 to 1000 mm. For oil seeds, the optimum soil is high sandy loam soil. So the correct option is the C, that is 4, 3, 1 and 2 as detailed earlier. And the seventh question, minimal tillage can be practiced by, and there are about 4 options. The correct answer is plow plant tillage, that is being used for minimal tillage. And the eighth question, the district having lesser area of growing cotton and sugarcane, which belongs to Tamil Nadu, the districts that are present in Tamil Nadu, and those districts grow lesser area of cotton and sugarcane, and the districts are Kanjivaram and Tiruvallur. Kanjivaram and Tiruvallur, not Tiruvallur, I am sorry. And ninth question, there are about 3 statements, and we have to find out which are all the correct statements. And statement 1, subsistence farming is defined as crop grown just for the farmer and his family. The second statement, the ownership of collective farming is constituted by state government. Extensive farming is done with low inputs of labor. This is the third statement. So among 3 statements, the statement 1 and statement 3 are correct statements. And the statement 2 is the wrong statement. Okay. Then again we match the following, that is the 10th question. There are different land holdings, and for marginal holdings, and the correct acreage is less than 2.5 acres. So the option is 3. And as far as small holdings are concerned, it consists of 2.5 to 5 acres. The second is the matching for small holdings. And medium holdings, that consisting of 10 to 25 acres. And for large holdings, the acreage is more than 25 acres. The correct answer is 3, 2, 4 and 1. And the next question, summer plowing is essential to increase the water holding capacity. This is also the correct answer. To kill the weeds, correct answer. Destroy insect pupae, also the correct answer. So the correct option is all the above, that is all A, B and C are the correct answer for the 11th question. And the question number 12, what do you mean by conservational tillage? The conservational tillage means zero and minimum tillage. That is the correct answer. And the next question, growing 2 or more crops in the same field simultaneously in definite proportion, and that cropping system is intercropping, and intercropping is the correct answer. 14th question, the example for strip cropping is the groundnut and red gram, and this combination is strip cropping. That is the correct answer. 15th question, alley cropping is known as, and the correct answer is the hedgerow intercropping, that is called alley cropping. And the 16th question, planting of succeeding crop before harvesting the preceding crop is known as relay cropping. So before harvesting the first crop, the second crop is sown, that is called as relay cropping. And the 17th, when was the Agriculture Act enacted? The Agriculture Act was enacted in the year 1947. 18th question, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct options given below. In the list 1, Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution is nothing but production of fishes. That is the option 3 for the A. And Green Revolution is nothing but related to cotton. Cotton production, not only cotton but also other grain crops. That is the Green Revolution. And I'm sorry friends, extremely sorry. And Green Revolution is the high yielding varieties. So for the B, option is 4. And Grey Revolution, the fertilizer production is concerned. And Silver Revolution, now the Silver Revolution is referring to the cotton production. So the option B is the correct answer, that is 3, 4, 1 and 2. 19th question, for fixing atmospheric nitrogen, what is the symbiotic microorganisms involved in soil? The microorganisms which are involved in the nitrogen assimilation is rhizobium, and this bacteria absorbs atmospheric nitrogens and fixes in the root nodules of most of the legumes. Then the 20th question, the statement question, consider the statement and choose the correct answer regarding multiple cropping. And the first statement, mixed intercropping. growing two or more crops simultaneously. Row intercropping, growing two or more crops simultaneously but planted in rows. Strip crop intercropping, growing two or more crops in ridges. Relay intercropping, raising second crop at the maturity stage of first crop but before harvesting. Among all the four statements, the statement 1 and the 2 and 4 and these three statements are correct statement. The wrong statement is strip intercropping, that is growing two or more crops in ridges. That is the wrong statement, whereas other three statements are correct statements. 21st question, there are about four statements. The primary tillage is done after harvest of the crop. The secondary tillage operation is performed on the soil after summer tillage. Intertillage is done in the standing crop. Zero tillage, residues of previous crop is left in the soil and no tillage will be done. Among the four statements, the statement 1 and statement 3 and fourth statement are correct, and wrong statement is second statement. 22nd question, match the following again. The tractor operated pit digger is the tillage implement. That is the correct matching option. Rice planter is the sowing equipment. Correct matching point. Banana clump removal is the miscellaneous farm equipments. Impact type ground stripper is the harvesting and threshing implement. The option A, that is 3, 1, 4, 2 matches respectively with A, B, C and D. 23rd question, Indian Institute of Pulses Research is situated at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. 24th question, the ratio between total crop area and actual net cultivated area is referred to as cropping intensity. So cropping intensity is the ratio between the total crop area and actual net cultivated area. The 25th question, the last question, the golden rice variety has been developed to combat the deficiency of vitamin A. Thank you friends for your patient hearing or viewing my video, and kindly like this presentation, give your valuable comment, share this video to your friends as well as your WhatsApp group, and if you have not subscribed so far for my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that you can get the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.